Hi, this is Don McAllister, and welcome to another weekly tip video. As proven by the recent ScreenCastsOnline survey, most members have multiple Apple devices within their home or business environment. As such, there's a constant demand from all devices to download software updates and apps, as well as sync iCloud data between all of your different devices. Since macOS High Sierra, Apple have provided a little-known service called content caching to reduce bandwidth and speed up installation on supported devices by storing software updates, apps, and other content on your Mac or local drive. Once the saved content is stored in a content cache on your Mac, it's made available for other devices to retrieve without the need for them to go out over the internet. Now, it's amazingly easy to set this up, but before we do that, if I just go across to Safari, just to give you an idea of some of the types of content that is supported by the content caching. If you have a look at this web page across on the Apple website, so iTunes and iBooks, iOS app purchases and app updates. Bearing in mind, this is only for wireless updates. So if you get updates via iTunes, the content caching doesn't work in that particular instance. But if you're using wireless updates, you get all this iBook Store content, Mac OS updates, Mac App Store updates, software updates, GarageBand, downloadable content, and then iOS updates, Apple TV updates. So lots and lots and lots of different types of content can be cached in your content cache service. And it really does speed up and reduce the amount of bandwidth that you need when updating your various devices. And not forgetting iCloud data as well. In fact, if I scroll down, you'll see, here we go, iCloud data caching, photos and documents for OS X, El Capitan, and later. So how do we go about setting this up? It really is very, very simple. If we go across to System Preferences, and then within System Preferences, if you go to Sharing, and then down at the bottom, you'll see there is an option here for content caching. So currently it's switched off. Before we switch it on, let's have a look at some of the options. So under cache, there are three options: all content, only shared content. So all content being everything, that includes your iCloud updates and your app updates as well. Or if you just want to cache your iCloud content, you can select iCloud here. So it's all, only shared content, apps and updates, etc., or just iCloud. I'm going to go ahead and say all content. If you attach devices via a USB connection to this particular Mac, the Mac I'm working on, you can switch on internet connection using this checkbox. And as you can see, this will share this computer's internet connection and cached content with any iOS device connected using USB. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from ScreenCastsOnline. ScreenCastsOnline is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only ScreenCastsOnline Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital ScreenCastsOnline monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit ScreenCastsOnline.com today and become a ScreenCastsOnline member.